Hey folks, we're back with a bit of 1000D content. The problem is, it's pushing 35 plus in the workshop thanks to this insane heat wave, and it's pushing 30 out here. So we're going to be doing a little bit of alfresco modding in the garden. We've got the chassis here, we're going to be taking it apart and basically prepping it for the custom work that we've got planned later on. So that's going to involve drilling out all the rivets, removing all the internal bits that we don't need, and then basically hurling them away and putting the case to how it should be. So let's take a look through. I think flip it, start working on maybe something. We'll just give it a test. No, there's definitely something connecting it. But I mean, you couldn't. I mean, that would, you know. So we've finally conquered all the rivets and screws that are in this case and are left with practically nothing. Good. We're going to be filling this up with all the custom panels and work from next week, starting with the back cut panel, which is a really important one. So we're going to get that one underway then, and until then, it's just going to have to wibble and wobble a little bit. So catch you then.